Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Little Frenchie in Big Texas. Here we are at the ranch and I'm going to show you what's going on in terms of garden, outside garden, and of course the greenhouse. So here my husband is preparing for us to start planting some tomatoes, and what you see in the back is rows of garlic and onions. But let's look at the greenhouse. Alright, here we are in the greenhouse, so let me give you an update on what we've got going. It's been a month since we started seeds. As you can see, our trees that we haven't planted yet, look how beautiful they're doing. Oh yes, all the citruses are blooming. Look at this, totally blooming. So we started some herbs here, basil, parsley. Got some more over there going. So these are the ones we started from seeds. So we got some Black Beauty eggplants here. We have some tomatoes over there in the back. And in the middle here, we've got all our seeds. Let me show you. So here we got a mix of, so these here onions, this is some squash. We've got some eggplant, and so here we bought, so we're gonna have to plant. So you can see, got some tomatoes, we got some more peppers, but here are all the seeds. They're blooming so quickly in that greenhouse. So as you can see here, we got some peas, we got some green beans here. All these are heirloom green beans. Watermelon over there in the back in the pot. What do we have here? Oh, these are the flowers I planted a month ago. Zinnia flowers. We got the sunflowers. And here we got some calendula. And look at all these seeds. So here we have, what is it? All I know is where it's coming from. See the ones that have such a good, such a good rate. Look at these, almost all of them seeded and are blooming. This is zucchini. Here I recognize the zucchini, and all these here, they're all coming from MB Heritage Farms. Look at this. These are the two we planted from MB, and you see the difference. Look here and there, and look at the others. I mean, they're not doing bad. Oh, that's MB too. Sorry, we got 3 from MB. Well, the 3 with the big growth rate, pretty much. Look at this. Excellent seeds, guys. If you don't know where to buy your seeds, I would definitely check out MB Heritage Farms. Great homesteading channel, very knowledgeable in terms of gardening, and they sell on their Garden Guru website some seeds that, look at them. I mean, look at this. Compared to this one is not from MB. That's some Lima beans. I mean, it's growing, but look at this in comparison. Look at this, the gourd here. And this one here, not too sure what it was. And that one, that's just bell pepper, but that is not from MB either. So definitely very nice growth rate on MB's seeds. And here are some more variety. We got some more squash, broccoli, some kale here, butternut squash. So the butternut squash, we got the package here. So it's doing good. We got quite a bit of squash. It did not come out last year, so we're really trying hard this year to get squash. And some more here that was very recently planted. So you can see we got jalapenos, bell peppers, we got romaine lettuce, more tomatoes, lima beans, bell peppers, some more squash over there in the back. And here are some tomatoes that they're already growing pretty good. Look at these tomatoes here. Yeah. So these beds are doing really good, but so are the rest here, our trees. These trees, let me show you the trees here. That is a Satsuma orange. Look at these. How nice. That greenhouse is just marvelous. it gets really hot. I mean, yesterday afternoon it was 100 degrees here, so we need to keep it very wet, moist. Look at these lemon mayers. Oh yes, growing very nicely. Blooming here. More over there. So some of them we still have to plant. We're not done. So some more squash here. That's my little experiment. That's a pineapple I bought at the store and kept, put it in water, replanted, and it looks like it's picking up. Let's see, it was not particularly organic or so on. It was like a $2 pineapple at Costco, and I tried, so let's see if it works. I have 2 more going on that one, so let's see. That was the very first. Got some more over there, cantaloupe. These trees here need to be planted, so they're doing very good, but they need to be planted. Oh, my grapefruits. I hope for a lot of grapefruits. I love grapefruits. More here. More. That is my $20 fruit tree from Costco, and it is doing amazing. This is apple, blooming. Everything is blooming in that greenhouse. Orange here, and some more of this plantation we did with the girls a few weeks ago. So these are the strawberries, doing pretty good. We got some lemon balm over there, rosemary. We got a mix and some watermelon, sugar baby here. So nice. I believe, yes, this is rosemary here, and here we have some lemon balm, and here, well, we did mark it, sage. Very nice. So as you can see, very good looking. Now that's another one of my, that one needs to be replanted. So far it's not looking too good, but we still have some green here, so once replanted it might pick up. We'll see. So here it is, the beautiful huge greenhouse, and let's check the temperature. What's the temperature right now? So it's 11 o'clock, and believe me, it is hot. It is very hot. I'm getting pretty hot here, so we are opening the top to create some airflow. So completely opening the top on both sides, and same here. And we keep watering these plants as well. It takes a lot of water, as well as all these seeds here. My sunflowers and the calendula here, as well as all the seeds starting. Some peas. They're doing beautiful. Here, very beautiful, with my little lemon tree here. And yes, almost done. One more panel, and there we are.